Hi there. Today, let's learn how to insert slides from recording screen. Inserting slides from recording allows you to add new captured slides into your current project. To do that, launch the record screen mode first. Click the arrow on the new slide button in the Insert tab, or the Home tab. Choose either Record Video or Record Software Simulation. Alternatively, you can click the Record Screen button, then choose one mode to record. Let's start with the Record Video feature. Select a slide which you want to insert the captured slide after. Select Record Video. The Record Video slide dialog appears. For further information about Record Video, refer to the video How to Make Instructional Videos. To stop recording, click the Stop Recording button in Recording Toolbar dialog. Or press Ctrl+N for Windows, or Option Command 2 for Mac OS. After finishing the recording process, a new slide with a recorded video will appear in your project. Then, you can freely edit it. Now, let's learn how to insert slides from Record Software Simulation. Click the Record Screen button, select Record Software Simulation. You can check how to record software simulations video for more details. Stop recording as you do with Record Video. After that, a series of slides, containing steps that you carried out, are added into the current project. Then, edit them the way you want. That's it.